Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: water on, drain clear, and power connected. Load the drum without overstuffing. Leave space for tumbling so detergent and water can circulate. Once done, dose detergent into the drawer using the machine's markings. Softener goes into its compartment. Make sure to close the door firmly. The sensor will not start if it's ajar. These first steps prevent imbalanced cycles and ensure the time manager can accurately estimate remaining time. You now select the right program for the load: cottons, synthetics, delicates, or a quick wash. Turn the dial, then press the Time Manager button to adjust cycle length. Shorter for light soil, longer for heavy stains. This directly affects water usage and agitation. Make sure to set temperature and spin speed according to garment labels. Lower temps save energy, while higher spins reduce drying time. If needed, enable extra rinse for allergy-sensitive clothes to remove residues. You press start and let the machine run. Watch the digital display for remaining time and any unbalance or error signals. Once finished, remove laundry promptly to prevent odors and leave the door slightly open to dry the drum. If the machine shows an error, try a quick restart. Pause, turn off power for 30 seconds, then turn back on. If the code persists, check hoses for kinks or blockages. This simple check resolves most common issues and gets you washing again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.